Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman. Today we will see this unboxing and review of tiny tea set which is made up of ceramic. And you can see it is very nice, very beautiful for your child if they want to play using this tea set. So generally it is for 3+ years, having your kid having a age of 3 and more than 3 years. So let's open this. Okay, so you can see that how small it is just coming in my finger. So it is very small and cute, and it is made up of ceramic. You can see the noise when I am putting it. And it has very nice this tea kettle and very small cap of that, but there is no hole so that you can pour tea from this, but it is looking very beautiful and nice. So I can put teacups on this, and this is going to be whole set. There is some small hole to feel it like it's a kind of a real teacup. So I hope this video will be helpful. If it is helpful, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman. Thank you.